Good day, everyone. Today we'll be talking about World Science Day. My name is Uluwan Akufoluwa. When was World Science Day founded? World Science Day was founded in the year 2001 by UNESCO. That is the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. World Science Day is celebrated on the 10th of November across the world every year. Each year has its own theme for the day, and this year, 2024 World Science Day's theme is Harnessing Scientific Knowledge for the Betterment of Society. Harnessing scientific knowledge for the betterment of society. Here are the objectives for World Science Day. It seeks to draw attention to the importance of scientific work worldwide. It also aims to keep people aware of emerging scientific issues such as AI, artificial intelligence, and renewable energy. It similarly aims to highlight the relevance of science to how we save our lives and to use the technology that surrounds us to inspire people to participate in scientific activities. Thank you all for listening.
Good day, everyone. My name is Kelly Shreya. I'm talking about scientists and their invention. There are a lot of scientists and their invention, but I'll be talking about maybe four. Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton is an English physicist and mathematician who formulated the law of motion and universal gravitation. Michael Faraday. Michael Faraday is an English scientist who developed the electromagnetic induction, who brought the development of electric generators. Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison is an inventor who made first practical light bulb. Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein is a very physicist who studied the revival and transform our understanding of space, energy, and time. Space, energy, and time with famous equation E equals to mc squared. Thank you.
Okay, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Daniel Egoyi. I'm in SS3 Science, and I'll be here, and I would like to discuss about the discovery of sound. Now, the discovery of sound was being attributed in several scientists and philosophers, which were the likes of Pythagoras, Aristotle, Giovanni Battista, Francisco Sanchez, Pierre Gassendi, Robert Boyle, and Thomas Edison. So I would like to begin with Pythagoras. Now, Pythagoras studied harmonics. Pythagoras studied harmony. He discovered harmonics of sound. While Aristotle discovered sound and its physical properties. Physical properties like its wavelength, its frequency, its sound velocity, and so on and so forth. Giovanni Battista described sound wave as vibration, while Francisco Sanchez proposed sound as pressure waves. Pierre Gassendi measures sound speed. When I mean sound speed, sound velocity. Sound speed can also mean sound velocity, and velocity can be measured in meter per seconds. Robert Boyle studied sound and its properties. When I mean sound and its properties like its pitch, resonance, reverberation, and so on and so forth. And Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison is a special scientist who developed phonography. When I mean phonography, I mean sound recording. So now let's look at the impact of the discovery of sound. Now, the impact of the discovery of sound has taken place through the communication aspect and the health aspect. But first, we would like to look at the first one. Revolutionary music, communication, and technology. These have helped in so many ways. Like musicians now, they record sound. You know, in which the modern day music you guys listen to is through sound recording, phonography. It enables development in the following areas: audio, recording, and playback, and also takes impact in telephone and audio communication. When I mean telephone and audio communication, it also takes place, which is why we have the use of mobile phones, which converts sound energy into electrical energy. Now let's look at the health aspect. It has also made a great impact in health aspects such as medical imaging. When I mean medical imaging, I mean ultrasound or ultrasonic. When I mean ultrasound has this is what they use for pregnant women in order to determine whether the baby is a female or a male. Let's also look at non-destructive testing, which is also known as ultrasonic inspection. When we talk about ultrasonic inspection, this is what they use in order to detect diseases like cancer and so on and so forth in the body. Now, the whole summary about the discovery of sound is that the discovery of sound is a testament to human curiosity and scientific collaboration. It has also made a great change to the development of the society and a great impact. Thank you, and have a blessed weekend ahead of you.
Good day, everyone. We, the Skycrest College scientists, have two experiments to demonstrate for you for our World Science Day. The first experiment being to differentiate between acid and water. We all know that acid and water have similarities, and you know that they're colorless and they're odorless. You don't know which one is which until you might have tasted it or tested it. So right now, I'm going to show you how we're going to differentiate it using litmus paper and sodium trisulcarbonate for salt. So here it is. Uh, this is acid, dilute H12, uh, and this is what this is water. Yeah. You can see they are both the same. You even know which one is which. Can you see? All of you can see, right? As you can see, when the blue litmus paper was dipped into water, the thing was neutral, nothing happened. It was still the same. But as you see, when the blue litmus paper was dipped into the acid, the thing turned red. So that means this is an acid and this is water. Yeah, acid. Now for the second method, the use of sodium trisulcarbonate for salt. Yeah. Okay, so right now what I'm holding now is sodium trisulcarbonate for salt. So as you're putting the water into the sodium trisulcarbonate, nothing is happening to it. Nothing is just turning into an alkaline right now. But when you put acid into sodium trisulcarbonate, it leads to this. So what's happening right now is called effervescence. Effervescence is the process through which you get gas through liquid. Gas through liquid. So the what is coming out now is what is liberating out here now is CO2. All right.
Hello, students. So they have brief tried. If they think that you can see the practices. They have tried. You may not understand what they are saying, but let me help them to explain better. Now, the first experiment they did was to differentiate between acid and water using litmus paper. You will see that when the blue litmus paper was dipped into water, it was neutral. There was no reaction with the litmus paper. That showed that that was water. But when the same blue litmus paper was dipped in acid, the blue litmus paper changed to what? Changed to red. That shows that this solution is an acid and the other solution is water. That was the first one. Now the second experiment they done did was reaction with trisulfide salt. Reaction with trisulfide salt on which is this white powder that was shown. Now, the thing is that when this water was added to this white powder, there was no visible reaction. There was no visible reaction when water was added. But when acid was added, it formed what effervescence. It is called effervescence. That's what you saw, that gases you saw that almost came out of the boiling tube. That was what effervescence. Here we said that effervescence is the evolution of gases through liquid. And the gas that you saw were CO2, which is carbon dioxide that was liberated from the solution. Who can do that? It's only acid, not water. That was what they demonstrated. Thank you, and we proceed to the second one.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay. So in this second experiment that we're about to do, we're showing how reactive group 1 metals are. For example, group 1 metals are sodium, lithium, and potassium. You all know that they are very reactive with air and water.
It's not just all about the experiment, it's about learning the aim of the experiment. These are simple experiments where you see things that you speak to your brain and writing.
Who's writing it? Who's doing it?
See if you speak for those science for those in science. Now, the experiment
He's reacting already. He's reacting with air.
my feet of group one elements.
He's reacting with air.
Group one elements. So the activity of the group one element, which is group one elements are lithium, sodium, and potassium. So that the first three group one elements. How reactive are these elements? Now, for this experiment, we will be using water. This was a bowl of water with sodium. So let's see how reactive is that even if
Drop it, drop it.
So we want to see something today and you want to see how reactive sodium is as an element. That's what we want to see. Okay, as you drop the sodium metals in the water, let's see the reaction. Wait.
Yes, one.
Come.